Hello everyone, welcome back to Meet the Member series. Today we have with us Universo. Hello.
Hi, hello.
So please, could you introduce yourself and tell us what your company does?
Sure, my pleasure. So first of all, my name is Yulia Reinshmidt. I'm the CEO of Universal. If I can say some words about myself, so I can mention that I'm a global business development expert and a LinkedIn expert as well. And this expertise is accompanying me for 12 years now. Universo as a company specializes in opening new global doors for companies. Especially we deal with both with LinkedIn positioning of the companies, with research that we do on specific markets in order to help our customers to make some good decisions regarding the penetration to a new global market. And we also use our abilities to open doors and to promote the sales that our client wants to promote in order to close the deals for the benefit of our customers. I must mention that we have a specific expertise and knowledge in the medical field. We work with medical companies, we accompany medical companies, and we are especially passionate about innovative medical companies that actually have the value of saving lives, which is very important for us as a company to be a partner of such processes. I can explain a little bit about what we actually do and what the value that we bring to the companies. So first of all, one of our strong points is that we deeply understand our customers' needs. I know that a lot of companies talk about it, but because we are experts in research, we can actually make a connection, a bridge between the customer's needs and the opportunities out there in the market. We can analyze it, we can make some recommendations, we can accompany the companies that we work with in order to provide them not only the most relevant opportunities, but also the most potential one. So this is one thing that is very important for me to emphasize. Now, our team is a team of people that usually are called info scientists. We call them archaeologists. And why is that? Because these are people that like to dig into data, dig into information, to find things that usually someone that doesn't have these abilities or capabilities can't find it. So this is another aspect of what we do. Since we are active in this field for 12 years, so actually I can say that we already have a lot of data that is relevant for medical companies as well. This data can include potential investors, for instance, which I'm sure that you will agree with me, is always relevant for innovative medical companies. This is always a subject that they talk about and are interested to promote. I think the last point that I can tell about Universo is that along with our analytical skills and research capabilities, we have a creative mind. So a lot of companies, and I feel that especially in the last years, a lot of companies see us as a partner for the voyage, for the journey, in order to open new global market. So we bring also, our ability to analyze the opportunities. We can tailor some marketing solutions for that, and especially in the B2B sector, we can provide some very good insights. So in some companies that we work with, we see ourselves as a marketing partner and not just a research associate. And I think this is why it's so good for us to, to just wake up every morning and start working.
Sounds really good. And let me ask you, what makes your company stand out from the others?
Yes, so I think the things that I mentioned before are also the differentiators, or what makes us to stand out. So if I summarize it, first of all, our experience. It's a long time experience. Second, our research capabilities. Third, our marketing approach. Fourth, our creativity. And the last point is that we see ourselves as partners for success. So we will do everything to make sure that we don't only leave traces, but we also make the companies to get to their destinations, to achieve their goals. So we see ourselves this way as a company.
Sounds really good. What has been your company's biggest success or failure?
Well, it's a good question. Of course, as every company, we always learn from our successes as well as from our failures. Sometimes these failures are not a result of our work. Sometimes, surprises like COVID-19 can affect the process. But I can say in general that we believe, and this is always one of our values, that if our customer succeed, we succeed as well. So this is kind of connection between what I said about our partnership attitude. So we don't look for success of Universo. We look for success of our customers. This is a part of our success always. This is our attitude.
What made you join Barcelona Health Hub?
Sorry, can you repeat?
Yes. What made you join Barcelona Health Hub?
Oh, yes. Okay, so as a great believer in networking, I heard about Barcelona Health Hub about 6 months ago. We are very active now in Spain. We also have local representatives in Spain, and we also help companies in Spain to get to new markets. In this case, I want to also mention that our company is located in Israel, which is very well known for innovation, and specifically also for medical innovation. So when I joined Barcelona Health Hub, I had in mind that I can help companies in Spain reach markets, but also make a connection to the Israeli market, and vice versa. I can help Israeli companies to know about BHH and about the opportunity of networking and of good business connections with companies there. So this was the initial reason that I joined BHH. Once I joined the network and I start learning a little bit about your activity and all what you do, I realized that I can also contribute knowledge and share knowledge with all the members. And one of the ways I chose to do that is by making some workshops. So as I mentioned before, I have a good expertise with LinkedIn as a good tool for global business development. So I had one workshop during September This was a physical frontal workshop in BHH headquarters. Was a great experience for myself. Also meeting with very nice and interesting companies. And now we plan another workshop, which will take place on December the 13th, 1-3, okay? It will be an online meeting. I will repeat most of the things, most of the knowledge that I shared in the first workshop, but this time I will make it online. And you know, Yulia, I must share with you that when we marketed or when we published the first workshop, so many members of BHH Network asked, "Oh God, I can't get to BHH quarters. I have meetings, conferences, and whatever. When will you do an online workshop?" It's very interesting and it's very relevant for us to learn about this tool. So, you know, we listen to the people, as we say, and this workshop is going to take place. I'm very excited about it.
We are excited about it too. And what do you expect from Personal Hub towards the future?
Well, I think in all our conversations, we always say that since we as a company are very active now in Spain, and Spain is one of the main territories that we are focused on. It started a year ago, and every day it just grows and grows more and more. So we see BHH as our partner to develop a business for medical companies for both sides, both Spanish companies and the Israeli companies. We see BHH as a good partner for us to make networking and good connections, both with medical and insurance companies as well. And since it started so nicely last year, I'm very happy to be part of this network. I'm looking forward to, you know, to the new challenges and opportunities that we can produce together.
Is there anything else that you like to tell us that we haven't asked you?
Well, yeah, actually, we covered all the topics, but if I can just end with a message for BHH Network. We are very open to discussions, to consultation. If you have any questions for us, not only regarding our services, but in general, on what will be the best tactics for global business development from our experience, we are keen to share that. How LinkedIn can help the company to accomplish its goals. We are very open to make these discussions. It's very easy. We have Zoom today or Teams or I don't know, WebEx or whatever. We can always schedule a call and just to get to know each other. And I see myself as someone who can always assist companies. As I said, these companies save lives. So I think nothing is more important than that.
Sounds amazing. Thank you so much for your time and for this interview. Nice to talk to you. Bye.
Bye. Thank you very much, Yulia. Bye-bye.